Hello everyone, it's me Jebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which virtual desktop page is being presently used in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two methods. So the first method is without using a third-party software. So if you're using a Windows 10 or 11, you can just click on this text view icon, and now you will see here the desktop 1, which is the virtual desktop number 1, is being presently used, as you can see here. So this is the first method, how you can find out the virtual desktop page that is presently used. And the second method is using a third-party software. So for this, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. After that, just click on this releases. Now just below the SS you will see here windicator.exe. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run the software installer. So now on the taskbar tray menu, as you can see here, the virtual desktop page number is showing up. So you can see here it's showing 1 here. So that means the virtual desktop page which is present in the number 1 is being used presently. So it's showing 1. So if I click on the other virtual desktop page, and now you can see here it's showing 2. That means right now the virtual desktop page which is in the number 2 is being used up. So by using these two methods, you can easily find out which virtual desktop page is being presently used in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.